Once you've established your chart of accounts within Xero or your accounting software, the next stage is to follow part 2 of this process, and that is importing your Cookaborough accounting information into Xero or your accounting software. You can do so by following these steps, which include going to Cookaborough, Data, Financial Reports, and selecting the payout amount within the accounting report summary, and choosing which your accounting software you're using. In the event you're operating debtors, and that's generally if you're operating within the home care package or NDIS sectors, or you provide the ability for your customers to pay on cash or invoice, you also need to select the debtor export report and the same amount. Once they've been exported, it's time to import them into the accounting software. For Xero, that involves going accounting, manual journals, import, finding where you just downloaded the file, selecting accounting summary report, and importing. Then pressing complete import. You'll select the amount, and it's important to select tax inclusive. If there's any zero amounts, you'll be required just to delete those. And then pressing post. In terms of importing the debtor report, you follow these steps, which is business, invoices, import, browse, choose the debtor export, selecting yes and tax inclusive, and importing, and then completing import. They all submit as draft reports, so you need to select them all and approve. The last step of the process is to review the general ledger balances and also the debtor balances. You can do so a few ways. Firstly, you can go to your dashboard, and under Accounts Watch List, you should see the amount and look at the year-to-date balance. And they should come back to zero. If not, you need to investigate, and you can investigate by clicking on the account and seeing where the issue lie. Then you're still required to look over your debtors in terms of seeing how much people owe you, and you can do so through these steps here. It's worth noting that when information or the debtors are imported into Cookaborough, when there's a C at the start, that represents amounts owing from home care packages and NDIS. When there's a CC at the start, it represents payments made with customers eligible to pay cash. And when there's CI, that represents invoices amounts. That's the extent of the process. If you're having any troubles navigating through this, we do offer the ability to reach out to us, and we will help you or your bookkeeper navigate through this process. Thank you.